You are not going to believe why this washing machine sounds like it's spinning, but it's not. I've been buying, repairing, and flipping appliances for a long time, and if there's one thing I've learned in this industry, it's that people throw away gold. Not only can anyone fix these things, but there is a ridiculous amount of money in them. I picked this washing machine up on the side of the road for free, and when I heard the noise in it, I knew exactly where to look. I keep trying to tell people that 9 out of every 10 appliance repairs do not require a technician. By the time I'm done with this washing machine, she's going to look brand new, and I'm going to sell her for between $300 and $400. And this is the best part. This is all because somebody decided to throw this machine away for a tiny little sock stuck in the drain pump. If you guys are looking for a side hustle to make a little bit more money, this is definitely something to consider.